Chapter 10. Managing Files and Folders. Chapter 7. Files in Computer. Folders in Computer. Saving a file in a folder. Copying a file or folder. Moving a file or folder. Renaming a file or folder. Deleting a file or folder. Restoring deleted files or folders. Deleting files or folders permanently. We create files while working on computer. We also create folders on computer and keep our files in the folders. Files in computer. Everything on a computer is stored as a file of one type or another. When we save our work in a program, it is saved as a file. All the software saved on the computer are also stored as files. Some examples of files and their icons are PNG, Paint File Icon, a saved image file in Paint program. JPG, Image File Icon, a photograph file transferred from a digital camera to the computer. Paint, Program File Icon, a software file. Creating a file. We create a file each time we save our work in a program. For example, a Paint file is created when we save a picture in Paint program with a name. To open a file, just double-click on the icon of the file. Folders in computer. Each computer has thousands of files. To make it easier to find files, we can group them in folders. A folder is a place to store files and other folders. When we double-click on computer icon on the desktop, a window opens displaying icons of all the hard disk drives, saved files, and folders in it. Icons for folders and storage devices. Windows uses different icons to make it easy for a user to identify the object it represents. Some of these icons are: these are computer drives or hard disks icons. When we double-click a drive icon, we can see a list of all folders and files saved in it. This is the removable storage device icon. It appears when a pen drive or an external hard disk is connected to the computer. We can see its contents when we double-click its icon. These are folders icons. When we double-click a folder icon, a list of all folders and files in it is displayed. Creating a folder. Step 1. Click the drive icon in the left pane or double-click the right pane, respectively, in the computer window where you want to create a folder. For example, local disk D. The D drive opens. Step 2. Click on New Folder in the menu bar above the drive content view. A new folder appears. Step 3. Type a suitable name for the folder and press the Enter key. Opening a folder. Step 1. Choose the drive in which you have your folder. Step 2. Double-click on the folder icon or select the folder and press Enter key. Saving a file in a folder. While saving a file in a program, we can choose the folder created earlier where we want the files to be saved. Let us save a Paint file in the folder we created on the desktop. Step 1. Click on File tab in Paint program and choose Save As option. Step 2. In the Save As dialog box, select the drive where you want to save the file. Step 3. Select the folder in the drive where you want to save the file. Step 4. Type a name for the file in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on Save button. The file is saved in the specified folder. We already know how to create files and folders in Windows. Let us now learn more about how to manage files and folders. Copying a file or folder. If you want to create a duplicate copy of a folder or file in some other folder, use copy and paste commands. Step 1. Open Computer and select the location where your file or folder is saved. Step 2. Select the file or folder to be copied. Step 3. On the menu bar, click on Organize button and click on Copy option from the menu that opens. Step 4. Select the destination folder where you want to copy the selected file or folder. Step 5. On the menu bar, click on Organize button and click on Paste option from the menu that opens. Moving a file or folder. If you want to move a file or folder to some other folder, use Cut and Paste commands. Step 1. Open Computer and select the location where your file or folder is saved. Step 2. Select the file or folder to be moved. Step 3. On the menu bar, click on Organize button and click on Cut option from the menu that opens. Step 4. Select the destination folder where you want to move the selected file or folder. Step 5. On the menu bar, click on Organize button and click on Paste option from the menu that opens. Renaming a file or folder. Step 1. Select the file or folder to be renamed. Step 2. On the menu bar, click on Organize button and click on Rename option from the menu that opens. Step 3. Type the new name for the file or folder and press Enter key. Deleting a file or folder. Step 1. Select the file or folder to be deleted. Step 2. On the menu bar, click on Organize button and click on Delete option from the menu that opens. A message box appears that prompts you to confirm your decision to delete the file or folder. Step 3. Click on Yes button to delete the file or folder or the No button to cancel the operation. Restoring deleted files or folders. The file or folder that we delete moves to the recycle bin. We can restore it back to its original location. Step 1. Double-click Recycle Bin icon on the desktop to open the Recycle Bin window. Step 2. Select the file or folder that you want to restore. Step 3. Click on Restore this item button on the menu bar. The file or folder gets restored to its original location from where it was deleted. Deleting files or folders permanently. The deleted files in the recycle bin are stored on the hard disk. If we want to clean the storage space of our computer, we can delete these files permanently from the recycle bin. Step 1. Open Recycle Bin window. Step 2. Click on Empty the Recycle Bin button on the menu bar. The items stored in Recycle Bin will be permanently deleted from the hard disk.